शिक्षा यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और नए अपडेट्स के लिए बेल आइकन पे क्लिक करें।
NDA is one of the most sought after defense entrance exams in the country. The exam is conducted for admission to Army, Navy, and Air Force wings of NDA and Indian Naval Academy course. NDA is conducted twice a year in two stages, written exam and SSB interview. Around 4 lakh aspirants appear for NDA every year, out of which approximately 6,000 are called for SSB interview. UPSC prepares a list of candidates who obtain minimum qualifying marks in the written exam. Such candidates are called for SSB interview for intelligence and personality test. Final selection is done on the basis of candidates' performance in written exam and SSB interview. NDA application form is released online by UPSC. Candidates can pay the application fees both online and offline. The application fees are ₹100. However, SC/ST candidates or sons of JCOs or NCOs or ORS are exempted from paying the application fees. Here we have explained how you can fill NDA application form. NDA application form can be filled in two parts, part 1 and 2. The part 1 of registration is divided into 4 pages. Candidates registration, choosing the preferred branch, verifying details and generation of registration ID. In candidates registration section, candidates need to enter their personal details, address, and educational qualification. In the next page, candidates need to choose their preferred branches. After choosing the preferred branches, candidates need to verify the details entered in the application form. No correction will be allowed after the submission of NDA form. After verifying the details, agree to the terms and conditions by clicking the required checkbox. After agreeing to the terms and conditions, the system will generate the registration ID. The page also shows other details such as name, father's name, date of birth, email ID, etc. With this, the part 1 registration is completed. The registration ID is also sent to the candidate's registered email ID. To fill the part 2 application form, candidates need to enter their registration ID, date of birth and CAPTCHA code. In part 2, candidates need to pay the application fees, select the exam center, upload scanned images of photograph and signature. The application fee can be paid through cash or credit card or debit card or net banking. Candidates can select only one exam center. The exam center will be allotted on the first apply, first allot basis. Therefore, candidates are advised to apply early. Candidates should upload the scanned images of photograph and signature as per the format given by UPSC. The file of photograph, signature and scanned photo identity document should not exceed 300 KB and must be less than 20 KB. Before submitting the application form, candidates have to agree to the declaration and submit the form. They can view the application form by clicking View or Print button. Candidates are also advised to take printout of the application form for any further communication with UPSC. With this, you are done with filling NDA application form. Thank you and happy learning.